Law officers targeted Mexican meth on Wednesday morning. Officials say a multi-agency investigation shut down a significant meth pipeline in Oklahoma City. Around 6 a.m., agents and officers executed warrants for defendants accused of distributing large quantities of meth in central Oklahoma. The law enforcement joint effort included the Oklahoma Bureau of Narcotics, Department of Homeland Security Task Force, and the Bethany Police Department. OBN Director Daryl Weaver spoke about the investigation.
We executed search warrants around our state to try to dismantle, if you would, this organization. This was an organization that was unique in a sense that oftentimes we see the cases that are made. If, for an example, if I wanted to go buy methamphetamine, I would go to an individual here locally and put in my order, if you would, for that methamphetamine, and then oftentimes they broker that through Mexico. The uniqueness of this case was the fact that all these cases, this quantity of methamphetamine was actually brokered from the demand side to Mexico. And you think about that, how significant that is. So to be able to infiltrate this group, we still have a supplier at large down in Mexico. HSI can address that, who's a big concern to us. And this group was operating out of Sinaloa, Mexico, which all of us are very much aware of what happens in that Culiacan area down there and the cartel involvement. So we believe this was a huge impact to our communities, to our state.
Oklahoma's Robert Medley reports the targets have ties to Mexican drug cartels, which ship as much as 25 pounds of meth from Mexico to Oklahoma City weekly.
Right now we have 13, I believe, arrested. We had 5 already in custody. We arrested 8 today. Those numbers may have changed in the last few minutes. We're still looking. This is not about going out today and arresting 100 addicts. So this is about going out and doing surgically against an organization. So we're not going to, the numbers are not there, but the quality of defendant is there. These are economic-based violators for our state. They're making a huge profit.